Hello guys, good evening and welcome you to this free online training organized by Dynamics Hub in collaboration with Animations Hub, and we hope to give you the best of training. Now, this is a basic training, and what you'll be getting here are basics in graphic designing. We have a pro training that will be taken after this basic training, but fortunately, very fortunately, it is a paid class. We're very affordable one at that. So, but everything we'll be giving you here is enough to get you started and to help you to, of course, up your skill, and you can make some money out of everything we'll be sharing here. But the pro class includes the full whiteboard animation training and other features. There are apps, six applications that are used in graphics designing, and every one of them complements each other. Canva doesn't do everything. There are some things Canva can do very, very well, but other ones, there are some things that it can do that Canva cannot do, and just like that for every one of them. But for this basic training, I'll be teaching two Canva and one other one. And I hope you were able to download Canva and the other one. So now let's jump into the training immediately. Now if you click, this is what Canva interface looks like. Okay, so you can explore every picture you're seeing here are all templates. These are templates, are like examples, they are like ideas, whatever you call them. They give you an idea of what you want to do. Canva basically spoon feeds you. Canva thinks for you. Canva brings food to your table. Canva doesn't want you to think. Canva wants you to just wake up and just have something. They want to dash you. They want you to come to them. So, so what I'm just saying in essence is that they give you a plethora of ideas. So what you need to do, only thing they want you to come to the table is what you want to do. I want to make a Facebook post, and that's all. They give you every other thing you need. So let's assume now you want to make a Facebook cover. Options are already here, what Facebook covers looks like. So you can choose any of them and edit. Everything you'll see, every part of this picture you see here are editable. You can remove this hand here, you can remove this one, change the font, change the letters, everything. So but here, let's assume we just opened a restaurant in town, cafe restaurant, and vegetables or something like that, whatever the name is, and we want to make a flyer to inform the whole city of Kaduna that we are here. So quickly you come to this place, you can go to all categories and explore every single thing Canva has to offer. These are all the things you can do with Canva. You can make proposal, coupons, class schedule, storyboard, worksheet, sitting chart, graphic organizer, and all that. But then these are the ones that people make more often. So these are the ones that are in front here. So remember, we want to make flyer. We're not looking for logo or business card or label option. So we go straight to flyer. We click. Now when you open any of these categories, it gives you subcategories that are under a business flyer. These are all kinds of flyer. So remember, we want to make a restaurant. So we're not interested in photography, modern, business, promotional. We're looking for something that has to do with food, because that's what we want to. That's what we're trying to advertise. So we keep scrolling down. Okay, this is wonderful. Restaurant flyer can give us something. What else can give us something? You get the best that suits what you want to do. Okay, there's nothing else to talk. Okay, no, nothing. Okay, so just stick with restaurant flyer like we saw. Good. So these are the options. Like I said, Canva thinks for you, gives you everything you would want to use. So because I'm a very simple person and I don't like pizza and I don't like much vegetable too, because I'm a very simple person and because I want to be a little bit selfish, I'll use a design that pleases me, and I know it will not please you, but I like it. And this one, it looks very simple and very smart and straight to the point. So we can edit this thing. We can when you click any of them, it gives you other options too, recommends other options for you. Now quickly, if you look at every picture here, you will see these things that look like tags. The ones that are free are the ones that you can use free of charge. You don't need to pay Canva or anything. These ones that have coins are the ones you need to pay. I think it's $1 for a picture or $2 or some of them. Some I think they differ. Now they are the one. There's some other form of option. That is the pro option. Is a monthly subscription. They also have yearly subscription. But I do the monthly subscription is 2,919 naira per month. So and that's the option I actually use. So most of the pictures here are free for me. I think these ones, some of them that are free here. If you open it in your app, they might not really be free. You might see an icon that looks like a crown here. That means you've not subscribed. So you have to up your game. You have to hustle, so you'll be using pro option in Canva. That's on a lighter note, okay? So now let's jump in immediately. We are trying to edit this one to suit our taste. So once you open any picture, everything you're seeing here can be edited. Every single thing you're seeing here, everything. You can remove this one, you can remove this, you can move this one, you can everything, including you can change the color of the bowl, everything. So we're not doing gift vouchers, so delete raising ramen. Okay, we can click and edit this. You can change the icon. I don't like that icon. Okay, I can use rising. Okay, good, wonderful, good. Then I can decide to double click, then edit. Remember our eatery is Kefi Eateries and Yummy. Wonderful. So okay. Now we can stretch, make it look good. Wonderful. Good. Now move up. I can try to change the color of this by tapping here. Let's go for okay. Let's just leave it like that so we don't take much time. Can change this one to this one on black. Can change it to red. Wonderful. So okay, good here. Now remember, let me say this: to explore the options here. Once you make a mistake, this option is for undo. If I undo a return, it takes one step back. Undo again, another step back. Or you can redo by taking steps forward. I hope that's understandable. Now this is for magic resize. You can decide to resize this post to another what's it called, different templates, Facebook cover, social media, but we're not resizing anything now, so that's it. So it's an option for collaborate. You might not need to use it very much. Now it's an option to save when you're through, and this is also to save, but to save and to share. But I'll explore this option when we are done. Okay, so this, when you click here, this is to open another copy, another page. But when once you click open new page, you can either copy everything that is on this page to the next page, or you can open an entirely new page that will be blank. I don't know that that's clear, but if I had chosen copy, it duplicates everything on this one on the next page. That this option is for let's assume you're working on 3 projects at the same time. Maybe you want to look at this one while editing this one, or maybe you want to make some similarities between both of them, or something like that. So back to the first option that you would be very much interested in, which is this. Now when you click text, is to add a text of your own. Let's change this icon. Let me use something that is pro, so you have to go. Let me rub it all over your face that I'm subscribed. So this is okay. Let's use this text now. Good. Now you can edit the text. Okay, let's change the font first. Okay, wonderful. Good. So I can make it bold. I can make it, put it in italics. I can change the casing. So just like you should be very familiar with this kind of things now. So we can change the letter spacing. You can change the line height. That is, there are 2 lines. Okay. So quickly, let's edit this now. What are we going to write? So what do we have in our entry? We have a bar. We have Gary, we have some more. We have what else we have? Okay, let's say we have conflicts. So we can give you conflicts. We can give you tea. We can give you beans, just like the one I ate this night. So and you good, wonderful. So you can decide to move in. Good. Adjust it a little bit. So let's put everything inside this. Wonderful. This is what we have inside the bowl. Good. Get your appetite ready for a meal. Okay, I think I still like this. So I can decide to leave this part of the template for a free ramen. No, we are not offering free ramen. So we can decide to edit this one. Click till it gets, it shines blue. Then delete and get